To generate the research brief, head over to the brief module in the sidebar. Once the research brief page loads, switch to the free text tab so you can simply paste in your requirements instead of filling out a structured form. Paste your research requirements into the text box here. Hit the Generate Brief button to let the platform do the heavy lifting. In just a moment, a fully structured research brief is generated and displayed on screen. If you'd like to share this with your team, click the DOCX button to export it as a Word document. Take a moment to scroll through the brief and review the details that have been auto-generated for you. The research brief is now ready and serves as the foundation for our next deliverable. Let's move on to creating the research proposal, which outlines the deliverables, success criteria, and approach for the project. With the brief locked in, let's move on to the next stage. Head over to the proposal section in the left-hand pipeline menu. Hit the Generate Proposal button to let ResearchOS draft it for you. In just a few seconds, a full proposal is ready. With the proposal reviewed, the project scope is now clearly defined. Next, we'll move on to generating the questionnaire, where the platform will build the survey questions based on our research objectives. With the proposal ready, let's move on to building the questionnaire by clicking on Questionnaire in the pipeline menu on the left. Open the target length of interview dropdown and choose the 10-minute option, which gives you around 15 to 20 questions. Hit the Generate Questionnaire button to let the platform draft it for you. Within seconds, your full questionnaire appears and you can scroll through each section to review the structured questions. Next, we'll move on to creating synthetic survey data, which lets us simulate realistic respondent answers before launching to a live panel. With the questionnaire ready, it's time to put it to the test. Head over to Data Collection in the sidebar and select Synthetic Data from the sub-menu. Hit the Generate Synthetic Data button to let the platform create realistic survey responses for you. Once the dataset is ready, grab a copy by clicking Download CSV so you can explore the raw responses yourself. To run quality control on our data, head over to the QC step in the pipeline menu on the left. The quality control page loads up and you'll notice the brief from earlier has already been carried over for context. Hit the Confirm and Continue button to move forward. This brings you to the automated QC upload page where we'll feed in the data we want checked. Start by uploading your survey data file into the first uploader. Then drop your questionnaire file into the second uploader so the system can match responses to the original questions. Within seconds, the QC run wraps up and the full results show up on screen. Grab a copy of the flagged data by clicking the highlighted XLSX download button. Now let's move to analyzing data and generating the final report, where ResearchOS turns the responses into charts, insights, and a complete report. To wrap up the research workflow, head over to Analysis and Reporting in the left-hand pipeline menu. Hit Confirm and continue to move ahead with the analysis setup. From the Industry dropdown, pick the relevant category for your study. In the Research Objective field, paste in the goal of your analysis so the AI knows what angles to focus on. Upload the synthetic dataset you generated earlier in the pipeline. Kick things off by clicking the Run Analysis button. Once it's done, you'll get a full report packed with key findings, charts, and written insights. Then hit Generate Report to lock everything in. Next, let's move on to reviewing the generated report to see the insights ResearchOS has compiled for us. Once the agent finishes its work, you'll see the Research Complete status, meaning your full secondary research report is ready to go. If you'd like an offline copy to share with your team, hit the DOCX export button to download the report as a Word document. And that's a generated report reviewed.